Hello, one and all. Myself Shreyas T, and I recently graduated with a master's in technology in specialization of transportation engineering from Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. Utilizing the QSWAT software, I am guiding you through the process of estimating surface runoff and discharge. SWAT is also known as Soil and Water Assessment Tool. It is one of the most widely used watershed scale simulation tools. It has capability of predicting the effect of soil, land use, and management on water and its quality. Before starting with SWAT, first thing we need to do is to change the date format. Go to go to control panel. Change the date format. The date format should be in English United States and in pattern of month, date and year. Okay. Now let's start by creating a folder named as QSWAT. Now, before starting with QGIS, for SWAT, we will know what are the inputs needs to be assigned. Number one will be the DEM file, digital elevation model, and second one will be land use map, and third one will be soil map, and fourth one will be weather data. These four inputs are very important before starting with SWAT. First, we will download DEM file from the website. Let's go to website. Website called Earth Data Search. Here, in this data, Earth Data Search. Earth Data Search. After opening this website, zoom into your area. I have selected Bengaluru, Kormangla Valley. So this is the limit that I can zoom in. Now click on this and select rectangle and select the area that you are working. Study area. Search for Aster. Press enter. You will get this Aster Global Digital Elevation Model version 3. Once we can see the two digital elevation model here, we need to download these two files. Click on download all. After that, download data. Click on this. So first we need to log in, as I am already a user. It will directly take download. Next go to back, download files, and click on second DM. Once it is downloaded, copy and paste to this folder called QSAT where we were created last time. Yeah, name it as downloaded DEM. Now we will open QGIS software. Project, new, add layer, add raster layer, open, add. Okay, now we can see these are the two different DM files. Now we need to combine this. For that, we will go to raster, miscellaneous, in that merge. Here we can see input layers. In this, click on input layers, click on this too. Okay. Here we need to select in 16 into 16 because you can see here properties. See, this is the data type is int 16. So we are selecting int 16 and we will create a new folder here only called DEM mosaic. DEM mosaic. Save, run, close. So now we can see the entire file. Now we can remove this. Now this is our DM file. We need to reproject now. So as the units are in degrees, we need to convert it into meters because SWAT will only take the DM file which the units are in meters. Now we need to export this, save as. Here we can see the CRS EPSG 4326. We need to EPSG 32643 WGS 84 UTM zone. Once we click that, we need to save this. We will create a new folder called DEM Reprojected. We can use DEM UTM. Save. Okay. Now it's reprojected. Now we can remove this. Now our DM file is ready. Here I have just added a layer. It is land use map. You can see this is the land use map. We will know how to prepare this land use map later. The reason why I added this layer is to cut the DEM file as per my land use map. We will go to layer, create a new shapefile layer, name as polygon. Here polygon, UTM zone, polygon, add to field list. Okay. Now we will do toggle editing here by clicking this add polygon. We will click this DEM file, right click, just OK. Let's properly off the toggle editing, save. And now to cut the DEM, we need to go to raster, extraction, clip by mask layer. Input layer will be input DEM UTM and mask layer will be polygon. Then that source will be EPSG 32643. The clipped mask will be saved. Save to file DEM mosaic. We create a new folder called DEM cut. DEM. Fine. Save. Save and run. Close. Now we will off street map and UTM. We can see the DEM is ready. If you run this, you will get the land use here. So our next step is to prepare land use map. Let's remove this land use map. We'll prepare a new one.